shadowy flight into the dangerous world of a man who does not exist.
From Italy. I'm really excited about this. I've been resisting the temptation to open this crate all week. It came straight from Knight Rider World in Italy. Giuseppe's the guy. If you've got electronic components to order for KITT or fiberglass, Giuseppe and Knight Rider World are definitely the way to go. Let's see what's in here. All right, well, I'm gonna be honest, I had opened this already. I just couldn't take it. I had to look at one part. And that part I did was this one, the overhead console. So this is KITT's overhead console. This would be up on the T-tops. All of the buttons work, they move, and they will light up. We'll hook these up so they have some sort of sound or function. I'm really happy with the quality of the fiberglass and the paint. I paid to have these assembled before I got them to save us a lot of the hassle because I don't know about this kind of stuff. I don't know what to do here or any of this stuff. This is beyond me. This is all Steve. So there's the first part. Not sure exactly what part this one is, but we'll find out in a minute. I'm really, really excited about this. Ooh. Oh. Now this is going to be the center pad that goes next to the shifter in the center console. Again, all of the buttons function. Keypad works, more electronics on the back. I mean, look at the way the switches are all hooked up. Definitely worth the cost. I believe this is the pod for the gull wing for the gauges. And I'll tell you what, I, as an adult, haven't thought much about Knight Rider until I came across this car. And I didn't realize how many great childhood memories I had of the show and this car. And now to be building it and have the actual electronics in front of me is really, it's kind of overwhelming, really, in a positive way. Like, I don't know why, but I'm tearing up opening these things because there's so many just great memories about playing with my friends and my brother and everything with these cars. And yep, this is the center portion. Turbo boost gauge. Most important button in the car right here, turbo boost. Ejector seats are down here. Auto roof right and left. Yeah, this is awesome. And again, all the wiring pre-done for the voice box right there. This is probably the second coolest thing, I think. It's like Christmas morning. Oh, you guys aren't ready for this. Oh, Knight 2000. This is the wheel. Quick release on the back. Wow, this is awesome. Really, really, really awesome. All right, this is what it's all about right here. I can't get it open fast enough. How do I get this damn thing open? Wow, this is just amazing. This is just awesome. I went with the ZA Electronics. That's what was recommended to me from everybody in the Knight Rider groups. Anybody needs any information on these dashes or electronics, Greg Woody from Florida Knights is a wealth of knowledge for buying the parts. Giuseppe's the guy to go through. Now this wasn't cheap by any means. This was an $11,000 investment, and in my opinion, worth every penny. This is just amazing. This is a Season 1-2 dashboard that has the 2 TV screens and the buttons down here versus a Season like 4 and 5 that has the one big single screen and eliminates some of these. I can't wait to get it in the car. Oh, it looks like this was their testing sheet that they went through, and they checked everything, signed off on it to make sure that everything worked after assembly before they shipped it. So that's pretty damn cool. This, I'm assuming, is just the adapter for the quick release steering wheel. And yep, that's exactly what it is. That's pretty cool. The reason they give you the quick release is they don't want you actually driving with the steering wheel, but I'm going to anyways. Man, I don't know what to say, and that doesn't happen very often. Well, thanks for geeking out with me. I hope you guys liked it. That's enough for today. I'm gonna stand here and stare and geek out for the rest of the day before I go home, but I can't wait to get this in the car. Thanks for sticking along. This project's gonna accelerate quickly from here, so please smash the like, share, and subscribe button. Let us know what you like about the videos. Let us know what content you wanna see. Let us know if you wanna see more of Steve, more of me, different cars, less of me, whatever it is. Just give us your input, and thanks, guys. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It has been a minute and I am super excited. Today is a big day for me personally because this has been 40 plus years in the making. Kit, Temu kit to be exact. We gutted all the old campy crap out of it and we've got the real deal dashboard to install today. Center console, overhead console. Today we're just gonna rough test fit it. The reason for that being it not going a full install is because I don't want to send it to the body shop to get painted with all that stuff in there and have something happen to it or something bad happen. But we're gonna put it in. An 8-year-old me couldn't be more happy. I've got two of my best friends here, Antonio and Steve. We are gonna get this done. Hang around.
And are we taking the plastics out?
No, we can work around those. Just try not to bump them.
As I bumped the shit out of them. God damn it.
Well, they were gray. I had them re-dyed, so I don't want to scratch them.
Oh, I see. What this gooey stuff is.
Shit I just bought randomly when I was drinking. I'm like, oh, I'm building a kit. I'll just buy this shit. I was originally going to do a season 3 and 4. We had the single screen.
Yeah.
But I decided to go with the dual. I liked the earlier dashboard better. So I ended up going that way, but I'd already bought some stuff.
Okay.
That was before I realized I was going to spend like, I don't know, $14,000 on. If you're going to blow your money, blow all of it.
You know?
Coming out of the car like this. All this tape and connections, and this is just messed up. This was really at their peak of quality for plastic fit and components. Everything fit like it was a snap together model. Yeah, there we go. I don't know if this part has to come out or not, the heater controls, but we probably don't need the radio. Just in case. I used to have a pull-out radio. It was an AudioVox.
Oh, yeah.
No, it was a Blaupunk. A pull-out Blaupunk with a handle. Thing weighed like 4 pounds. I'd walk around the mall with it.
Prevents all thefts with our pull-out mechanism. Something your father could have learned.
Maybe pull it out on the radio side.
I like your thinking. I like your thinking.
We'll let Steve deal with it later. All right, center console's out. Let's take the steering wheel out and the adapter.
Okay.
And then we'll see how our dashboard fits. Or those.
So I got it, they're already loose.
Oh, okay. So Paul's been back about 4 days and I'm missing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sockets. Wasn't me, I don't lose your tools. I haven't lost
At least he cleans the ones he didn't take.
I haven't lost a tool the whole time he was gone. Dash is already out.
Oh, we're going with this?
That's the inner structure that the new one sets on.
Okay.
Steve will be here any minute. I really think we should wait for him so he can see it too.
I don't want him to see it.
You get to see it.
I don't want him to.
Oh, come on. You didn't get to go to Vegas either time.
Yeah, that's true.
You went twice.
And I had fun both times.
Flashback to that picture of you falling out of your chair. The 1982 console fits in. Okay, I have window switches, so I'll start by pulling these out. So this plastic is from 1982. This is an original one, so I'm gonna want to be careful with it. I don't want to break the console that I got. I mean, I'm sure there's companies out there that make reproduction ones, but I found an original one in pretty good shape on eBay, so that's what I bought. I'm gonna have a talk with whoever used my tools last fall because don't put my shit away this way. Ooh, it's even got a non-smoked in ashtray. I wonder if the lighter's ever been used. Ooh, virgin lighter. I can see an issue already. The temperature controls are different. This portion from the 1992 is gonna have to come out, and I'll probably see how it fits, but more than likely I'll have to get different temperature controls. Okay, so not too bad, just like 4 bolts I got this out. Anybody's wondering about all the noises I'm making and why I'm having such a hard time getting in and out of the car. I got rear-ended in July, and I have 3 fractured vertebrae from the whiplash. They're called compression fractures, and it just makes getting around difficult, to say the least. So, but I'm not one of those people who's just gonna sit around and not do anything and get fatter than I already am.
Man, they've been at work. Sorry, guys. I had a meeting I had to go to every third Saturday. Okay. I'm making space for all that sweet new interior jazz.
I was going to set the center console and see how it fit.
Okay. How everything lines up and anything that needs to be trimmed or moved. Okay.
Exactly.
It's a smart idea to take the T-tops out. Makes it a lot easier to slip that bad boy in and out.
Yeah, like a hot dog down a hallway. All right.
You guys gotten terrible in my absence. I'll take that side.
Actually, I just want to watch.
Okay.
Can I watch you two go at it?
Yeah. You sure can. $20 is $20. Let's go, Steve. I got your 10.
Alrighty. This is snazzy. Oh. I saw your vegan stick fall.
Dang right. Yep.
Alright.
You put the damn dash, the center console in? Well,
You want to go on that side? I think I can hold it here if you want to go
all right.
around.
Please and thank you.
Kind of get down there where you are. Hold on.
We've just got all the connectors. See the connectors?
Oh, on this part.
Yeah, I'm in.
Okay, so you're in. So then, can we go forward any more? Like, will it evenly go forward just to?
No, the problem is, so we're going to, give me a second. Where's, we got cameras, we got lights. No flashlights.
It just looks like this will fit really snugly in like another inch, and I just don't want to like one of the speakers or something.
So it's the new wiring that's in our way here.
Now that plastic bar that was on top of the dash,
Yeah.
that was loose on one end,
Yeah.
is pushed back against the windshield.
Oh, there is something in there. Let's just walk it out. Then it's something we can just take off. Oh, you just got it.
Help me out.
All right. Yep.
Hold up. Wait a minute, let me put some pimping in it.
Hold up, wait a minute, let me put some pimpin' in it.
But that fits snug.
Yeah, down here.
We're in.
What in the world?
That must have been the support on the dash that was in here.
That's awesome. He used gym equipment to do it.
Oh,
This looks like this fits really
I
good.
worked out.
Dude, this is.
Oh, Steve, no.
No.
There's a lot of companies out there making the dash. I got this one from Knight Rider World out of Italy.
Fully assembled with the Z electronics.
$11,000.
Well spent.
Well spent.
This is actually the first time we've not had to make modifications for an aftermarket part.
Yeah.
So that's spectacular.
Yep.
Yeah,
This
that
is so
fits really good.
awesome.
It fits really good. Just certain details, the way that it goes across the part of the steering column here, we didn't have to trim that. Kind of lines in with the body lines right here, like this part here kind of matches up to this. So, I mean, it's obvious they took their time and they, probably had like some kind of replica mold or something from the original or something to do, because this is really good, so. Yeah.
But I'm really proud of the guys, and I'm really happy with this. And again, Knight Industries of Kentucky, Knight Rider World, all the guys in Florida Knights helping us out. Really happy with this. I can't wait to go further, and thanks for sticking along. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Thank you. Have a great week.